एवरीवन, सत श्री अकाल जी एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मेरा नाम है मनप्रीत कौर सिद्धू। नाम तो आपने सुना ही होगा। और आज मैं आपको दिखाने जा रही हूँ शोभा का ब्रांड न्यू प्रोजेक्ट जिसका नाम है एलवुड, जहाँ पे आपको 4, 5 एंड 6 बेडरूम इंडिपेंडेंट लग्जरियस विलाज मिल जाएंगे, जिनका प्राइस स्टार्ट हो रहा है सिर्फ 8 मिलियन दिरहम, जो कि यूएस करेंसी में आपको पड़ जाएगा अराउंड 2.2 मिलियन यूएस डॉलर। और ये लोकेटेड है 6 लेन हाईवे जिसका नाम है लेन रोड। So quite prime location, 6 lane highway on one side, so total 12 lane है and it's very close to world's biggest international airports, around 20 to 25 minutes की ड्राइव है, जिसका नाम है अल मखतूम इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट, जो कि 2030 में ऑपरेशनल होने जा रहा है। एंड करंट एयरपोर्ट जिसका नाम है दुबई इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट, वहाँ से भी 20-25 मिनट्स की ड्राइव है। एंड डाउनटाउन बिजनेस पे हार्टलैंड 2 से अराउंड 25 to 30 मिनट्स की ड्राइव है। सो इट्स वेरी सेंट्रल लोकेटेड। अब इस प्रोजेक्ट की आपको ब्रीफ में इंफॉर्मेशन देने के लिए मैं आपको मिलवाने जा रही हूँ शोभा के सीनियर सेल्स एडवाइजर सलमा से। बट उससे पहले आपको प्रोजेक्ट की थोड़ी सी झलक दे देते हैं। सो लेट्स गो। Guys, here we are with Salma once again, senior sales advisor from Shobha. Thank you, Salma, for taking out time.
Most welcome. Hi everybody. Nice to meet you again.
I know it's Sunday. मैंने सुबह सलमा को तंग किया। मैंने कहा no, I have to record this project because it's a hot cake in the market and ऐसे properties आज के दिन दुबई में मिलना बड़ी मुश्किल हो गया है because independent villas are very hard to find and we have a limited inventory in Dubai. So Salma, can you take us through the briefing of Elwood?
Sure. So Shobha Elwood is an independent villa community very close to the downtown. It's an upcoming location. So this project is 10 million square feet as a land parcel. It's a completely freehold development like Shobha's projects are always. We have 4, 5 and 6 bedroom villas starting from 5,000 square feet with bigger plot sizes. So for a 5,000 square feet villa, we have 6,200 square feet of a plot size with independent swimming pools and all amenities. It's a complete sustainable living development. यहाँ पे आपको 47% ग्रीन स्पेसेस मिलेंगी, जिसमें 10,000 प्लस ट्रीज लाए जा रहे हैं, वो भी वर्ल्ड के 7 डिफरेंट फॉरेस्ट से। तो अगर आप यहाँ देखेंगे तो हर एक फॉरेस्ट अलग अलग लोकेशन पे प्लेस किया गया है, जहाँ पे 2 एकड़ से लेके 7 एकड़ तक के इंडिपेंडेंट फॉरेस्ट और ट्रीज प्लांट किए गए हैं सर। सो आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं कि हमने सिर्फ एक फर्स्ट फेज लॉन्च किया है। आउट ऑफ 467 विलास वी हैव जस्ट लॉन्च्ड द फर्स्ट फेज। आधे विलाज अभी लॉन्च होने बाकी हैं एंड दिस मंथ वी आर गोइंग टू ओपन द सेकेंड फेज। वी आर लुकिंग एट as many bookings from you as possible because every single day since the launch of this project in August 2024, we have sold 1 villa. Even though it is a little distant from downtown, we are looking at more and more traction because independent villas with German technology and Shobha brand are nowhere to be found.
Exactly. And location explain कर दे जरा कि exactly कहाँ पे located है ये?
जी, इसको मैप में तो it is called Al Yufra, but this is a part of Dubai land. It is very close to the existing international airport. Existing airport से हम यहाँ पे 25 minutes में पहुँच जाएंगे। और शोभा हार्टलैंड से जो मैदान लोकेशन है वहाँ से और डाउनटाउन से आप यहाँ पे अगेन 20-25 मिनट्स में पहुँच जाएंगे।
And how about the prices for 4, 5 and 6 bedroom independent villas?
So in the first phase, we had launched the prices of from around 8 million dirhams. We are looking at similar price ranges to come in the next phase as well. For 4 bedrooms, around 8 million. For 5 bedrooms, around 10 million. For 6 bedrooms, around 13 million maybe. That is what the projected pricing is. But if you still want to get better opportunity in the first phase, we have some 4 bedroom limited villas which we can still look at.
Right. And how about the payment plan? How do they pay?
So as Shobha's developments have been more flexible for everybody, we are looking at 60-40 payment plan. 60% in the next 2 years and 40% on completion. This project, the first phase is looking for its completion in June 2027. यहाँ के service charges हैं around 5 to 6 dirhams per square feet plus small community charges. We have a big clubhouse inside the project. We have a white beach lagoon inside the development. And the moment you open your backyards, you are stepping into a garden. So it's a very healthy living with big, jogging and cycling track. Along with that, we're also building a school in the project. We're also coming with a shopping plaza. So you're not going to be far away from the city because the surroundings is coming up and it's on the main Alain Road. And Alain Road, guys, it's a complete traffic-free highway. We are looking at 16 lanes for this particular development to come across with.
And Dubai government has already spent 2 million dirham 2-3 years ago to expand the road 6 lane on each side.
Correct.
So it already have 12 lane highway. Like it has 12 lanes in total. So
Correct.
connectivity is really nice. I mean, like I've been there. I've been to the Valley project, the Imars project next
Right.
door, which is further down,
Correct.
and it
Correct.
takes 25 minutes, no traffic, very like
Straight
straight road.
straight
Yeah,
connectivity.
there's no signals. The moment you leave downtown, there is no signal. When
Absolutely.
I went there first time, I was like, wow, that's nice. There's no signal at all.
Absolutely. And it is located in the center, guys. You have upcoming airport also with the same time frame and the existing airport also. So you're going to be surrounded in a location which has everything equipped, like Shobha always does, with the best quality of German construction that you will have. These are independent villas, so you won't be sharing your space with anybody. You won't have back-to-back villas, right? And these are G+1 as well as G+2 villas. So G+2 villas are there only for 6 bedrooms, but they're going to be very limited. And the moment we launched the first phase of this particular project, we saw about within 2 days all the 6 bedroom villas are completely gone. So I urge you to either take the benefit of the first phase with the 4 bedroom villas that we have last few available, or place your EOI with at least 10% right now so that you get first priority in the upcoming phase.
How about the appreciation, Salma? Like, what are the expected appreciation, capital appreciation?
We are looking at least 50% to 70% of appreciation in this location because it is yet to develop, right? Everything around will come up eventually. So within 2 years to 3 years from now, we'll see more developments coming up. We'll see more infrastructure. We'll see a lot of this particular location, Dubai land, to be picked up, right? Because we are looking at the government's plan to expand it till Dubai land. So we will have more developments coming up. And you know that the more the infrastructure is being built around, the more the appreciation is, right? Versus a development which is completely ready. So the appreciation becomes lesser.
Right. Salma, most of my investors are not from Dubai. They're from, they're from
Correct.
all over the world.
Correct.
And a lot of investors wants to know about the brand before they invest in a brand.
Correct.
So Shobha is a very big name. I know people who live in Dubai, they all blindly trust Shobha with the quality and the handover.
Of course.
Shobha is known for delivering 6 months in advance. And
Absolutely.
शोभा के इन्वेस्टर्स की कंप्लेन ये होती है कि आप पहले क्यों डिलीवर कर रहे हो, लेट की कंप्लेन नहीं होती, वो बोलते हैं कि व्हाई आर यू डिलीवरिंग अर्ली, तो बट विच इज अ गुड थिंग कि आपको एक ट्रस्ट होता है कि हाँ कभी डिले नहीं होगा आपका प्रोजेक्ट. बट सलमा, कैन वी टेक माय व्यूअर्स एंड माय इन्वेस्टर्स through the history of Shobha, कि शोभा ने आज तक क्या किया है और कौन है शोभा?
Of course. Mr. PNC Menon, he is the founder of Shobha. His wife name is Shobha. So out of that passion and love for her, he started the entire organization. He started from India. His origin from Kerala, but he went to Oman in 1976 to build the royal palace of Oman's ruler. From there, he got so fortunate that he started building his own contracting firm and started doing construction across the Middle East. And with this dedication that he built the entire palace, he was gifted the nationality of Oman, right? So from there, he started building for the royal families in Dubai. He started in 2003. So he was invited here to build the MBR District 1 villas when Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid of Dubai wanted to expand Dubai from the Sheikh Zayed Road and downtown location. He opened up his own land parcel called Maidan. That's where we have not one but 3 communities that we are building, and we have already built also one community called Shobha Heartland upfront. So from there, we got more land parcels in Dubai and we expanded. And the beauty is that Mr. Menon is so dedicated and he's such a perfectionist that he will not take any leasehold land parcel. He will not deliver anything which is a 99.9% construction as well. That is how the entire organization has been built. And with the best set of technology, we are looking at soundproof, waterproof and climate control properties across. चाहे आप 1 मिलियन की डेवलपमेंट खरीदें शोभा से, चाहे आप 200 to 300 मिलियन की डेवलपमेंट खरीदें शोभा से, we have everything for every kind of an investment range. And the best appreciation and the best returns have also been there for Shobha, right? We have seen, even if you talk about downtown, we have seen at least 2 to 3% higher returns in terms of the rentals. And we have seen higher appreciation also. Some people have earned 80%, some people have earned 50%, some people have earned more than that also. So it has been a staged growth for a lot of people. That's why a lot of people do not really liquidate their asset once they've invested in Shobha, because they know that the rentals are going to be always higher. Nobody till date has come up with the same kind of quality and construction process. So it is still a winning organization, and it is looking at growing tenfolds, because it is also venturing into US now.
Yeah. Oh, really?
Ji.
That's interesting. So you guys
So
are
they-
expanding?
Yes.
Where in
Yes.
US?
So we are looking to bring our projects in Dallas now, and it's all a shush right now.
Okay,
So
can
we are
we
looking
sell
at-
in Dallas?
You can sell across the world.
Okay, okay. If you guys are from US, you know who to contact. Manpreet Kaur
Absolutely.
Sidhu. Anyways, guys, thank you, Salma. This was
Most welcome.
so informative for me as well and for my viewers and my investors as well. So, अगर आपको इस project में कोई भी interest है, you need to do one thing. You need to send me an email right now. Let's connect on a Zoom call. Salma will be with us on Zoom call, and let's give you a briefing about this project in more details. क्योंकि I want कि आप पहले अपने आप को educate करो दुबई की real estate market के बारे में, project के बारे में, and best way to do is Zoom call, because I know आप लोग दुबई में नहीं रहते, तो जब आप दुबई में नहीं रहते तो कॉल पे बात करके उतना अंडरस्टैंड करना, वो पिक्चराइज नहीं कर सकते,
Correct.
इमेजिन नहीं कर सकते.
जी,
It's better to connect on a Zoom call. So send me an email right now. And Salma, thank you so much.
Thank you so
धन्यवाद.
much.
सत श्री अकाल.
Always
दर्शकों
lovely
को भी-
meeting you. Thank you so much for being here and joining us. And please make sure कि आप आने वाले फेज में सबसे बेस्ट इन्वेंट्री ले लें, because आपको पता है कितनी फास्ट हमारी
I know.
कंपनी है और कितना फास्ट हम सेल्स करते हैं.
Yeah.
So looking forward for as many UIs as possible, and Manpreet ji has to do the best in this because of you guys.
Yeah. चलो सत श्री अकाल बुला दो जान तो पहला.
Thank you.
सत श्री अकाल.
सत श्री अकाल जी.
कितनी बार सिखाना पड़ू?